we bring you the answers to all your questions. Be better than others. Enjoy the benefits of knowledge. Accept the answers from us.
Knocking when slowing down or cornering. A deep knock-knock sound usually means that the shock itself is the problem. Check for oil leaks before anything else. A leaking shock absorber will lose its stiffness and will produce a typical dull thump sound.
Our mission is to provide accurate answers. We think without knowledge, it is impossible to live a balanced life. Be competent, be skillful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification.